Good morning, guys. How are you doing? How are you holding up? We are 30 days from this year being over. I mean, dead, buried, gone. Um, let's talk about Bakemas. Now, I've gone back and forth about doing this because I don't want to come off as being insensitive to people who have pretty much lost everything to this point out of this year, and those who will lose their homes, their jobs, and all that stuff, especially after January when the moratoriums, oh, excuse me, end for rent and forbearances of mortgages. So I don't want to come off as insensitive to them, because that's not the case at all. I totally get where they're coming from with they're going through. I've been through it myself, but I decided to keep Bakemas and just keep it small. I'm going to do a banana bread that my late mother used to do every year, and it was so delicious. I mean, so good. And I'm going to do blueberry muffins. My kid loves blueberry muffins. She absolutely loves them. So that's a go. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna do cookies, the Neiman Marcus cookies I did last year. I am also going to do the fudge. And I may do instead of a blueberry muffins, a blueberry bread. I'm not doing gift baskets this year, gift bags. It's too much, okay? Really, it is. Financially, a pain. So, doing a gift basket like I did last year, that's not gonna go. No. That's not gonna happen. Um, Now last year I was able to do such a big Bakemas because my daughter was in high school, going to a physical high school. So, I didn't have to do her attendance, make sure she does all the classes, make sure she stays on top of the work, and she doesn't get behind. I didn't have to do that last year. This year, we're all doing that. I mean, we all are. Like right before Thanksgiving, schools here in Michigan closed. They went to virtual. And if you dealt with this, trust me, you'll understand why my daughter went to Michigan Virtual Academy. But she has actual teachers teaching classes, not just posting assignments and the kids work through it on their own. No, that doesn't work with all kids. So, yeah, okay. The cat woke me up at 3. She got the dog going about 3 o'clock this morning. And it was like, oh my god. But I do have some cooking projects I'm going to be doing Thursday. Oh my god. Alright, let's get back to yesterday. And Tony picked up this street taco package from the deli. It was so good. It was like $8, which is not bad. Before you say, oh my god, Tracy, that's so much money. No, it's not. You go to an authentic Mexican restaurant, you will spend $8 per person. Now, if you're keeping count, you got one parent and a child, $8, that's $16. Plus, if you have two parents, that's additional $8, and another $8 per child. Okay? So, $8 a kit, that's not bad. And we both ate on it. So that's like $4 each. So that's actually pretty good. Alright, guys, I'm going to get that tomorrow. We're going to review it. It's going to be delicious. I mean, oh my god, it's so good. And I have a lemon chicken, grilled lemon chicken with satay sauce I'm going to do for y'all. And I'm going to do as many projects as I can and get them up as often as I can. This month is just going to be a blur. Kind of like the whole year has just been a blur. But I will post as often as possible. Alright guys, I will see you later.